Cat in the Hat. It was a day. There was no fun at all. We could not have fun. We could not play ball. All we could do is sit, sit, sit. Did we like it? Not one little bit. Who should come but the Cat in the Hat? Hello, hello, how do you do? Isn't the sky pretty blue? Who are you? I'm the Cat in the Hat. I came to play today. Oh, no, you should not be about. You should not be here when your mother is out. Sally, what can we do today? Should we come and have some play? Don't you know about the wish? It's time to go up with a fish. Put me down. This is not fun at all. Put me down. I do not wish to fall. All right, I'll put you down. What should you do? Well, he isn't getting a house messy and dirty, and my mother home at 3:30. I shall not go away, but let's have some fun. Let's have some fun for everyone. Let's play a game with thing 1, thing 2. Send him away. He shall not be about. You shall not be here when your mother is out. Very well. I'm a pug. I'm precocious slug. Nobody loves me. That one tiny hug. I'm a fish, my dog, that nobody loves. I'm a schnoozler, a doobas, a rooster too. So what? I'm a pug. A precocious slug. Nobody loves me. I want a tiny hug. I'm a pug. Precocious cat. Rota, ow, ow, ow. I don't know. Should we have some fun? Should we have some fun for everyone? Wait a minute. You're not a cat. Who ever heard of a 6-foot cat? I am indeed a cat. And this is indeed a hat. Cat, hat. It's set Tratrapo. It is very obvious, don't you know? Cat, hat. It's set Tratrapo. The German has a apostrophe the same show. So, cat, hat. It's from Tratrapo. The Spanish, I got the word of San Mario. I'll tell you something more, and listen to me good. A German, I'm a hunter, I'm dressing short. The German, and bunker, I'm a bunker, Eskimo. It's your mother. She's on her way home. Thank you for having fun today. Now the cat was off the hook. He went away with a sad kind of look. Now that we've got rid of the cat, look at the mess. Just look at that. It is so big. It is so tall. Oh, we can't clean it up. There's no way at all. So it's a mess. I always put my pudding in the way, you know. I'll show you another fun trick I know. Cleveland's lesson said us that he went away with a happy tip of the hat. Mother came in and said, so tell me, what did you do? Did you have some fun? What did you do? I'm trying to tell her, what can we say? Should we tell her the things we have that day? What we do is your mother asked you.